In your first P element, add a span element and give the span a class of product count and an ID of product count for ID and also a template literal with a placeholder of ID. Then, after the span, give your P element the text of the name variable. Okay, so in your first P element, so we navigate to our first P element and then add a span element. It says, so span and then a closing tag of the span. Give the span a class of product count. Okay, class of product dash count and an ID of product dash count dash 4 dash ID and then the template literal with a placeholder of ID. Then okay, after the span, give your P element the text of the name variable. So it's not saying the give the P element the text name, but rather the name of the variable. So again, that would be the use of the template literal. So that is achievable by writing the dollar sign and then the curly braces, and inside of it would be the variable name. So again, template literal, or also known as string interpolation, where we insert something to somewhere. That would be, in our case, name, insert the value of the name to the P element. So that's it. Nice.